Hey guys, this is my 2007 BMW 525i, and if you have an E60 BMW like I do and you're getting a right backup lamp malfunction message, you can either confirm that it is out by, putting it in reverse and having someone check while you hold your foot on the brake, or you could turn the engine off and just have the car on and put it in reverse. Make sure the parking brake is on and you're not on a hill, just to see which one is out and to confirm. But I have a scan tool and I'm going to go ahead and just activate it, and you can see that my right backup lamp is out. And I'm going to show you how to replace these with LEDs. Might even be a little bit brighter. It's a pretty easy job to do. First thing you gotta do is open your trunk and clear all the garbage out. Okay, trunk is cleared up. I got my subwoofer just tilted up, and I have this WeatherTech mat, but you just pull up right here, and there's actually a little handy dandy holder that goes onto the ledge here, so you can get to your spare tire and everything. But we just need to remove these little side pieces, and you just have to twist these about 90 degrees. It just pulls out, and they have a little flathead screw thing on them, but you really don't need it. You can just pull them with your hand. Just pop those guys out, and there's this little thing right here, and just grab that, kind of pull it up and out. And this side is the same, it just has a little net, but same idea. But this is pretty much how you get to all of your taillights. And you just push down on this tab, and the whole light assembly pulls out. And this little one right here, I believe, is your reverse light. And this guy just pops out, and you may want to not handle, especially a new bulb if you're putting it in with your hands, because the oils from your fingers get on the bulb and it kind of makes it all dark. Kind of like that bulb right there. I'm not too worried because these are just your reverse lamps, so they don't stay on for very long, and I'm going to be replacing them with LEDs. But since this side appeared to work and this side did not, let's do a little diagnostic test just to make sure it is the bulb without using any fancy tools or anything. And we will do that by just swapping the bulbs over. So now the right side is on the left side and the left side is on the right side. And we can just try the activation again. And I just had the car running, so battery won't die. And you can see the left side now doesn't work, but the right side does. So that confirms that it is the bulb. And you can see it's got a fault for the left backup lamp. All right, so I got some replacement LED bulbs here. You want to get the fancy ones that are approved for the CAN bus system, so you're not going to get an error message all the time. They also come like error free, and I believe these are bi-directional. So they have circuitry in them where they will work normally in either polarity. So it shouldn't matter which way you install them. But if you do have an issue with the bulbs you have and it won't work one way, just try flipping it 180 degrees to see if it'll work. And hopefully they won't cause any error messages. And I will also leave a link to where you can buy these down in the description below. But anyways, we can just pop the old bulbs out. Here's an old bulb compared to the new one. Hopefully that'll fit. I think it has enough room. And we'll just pop that in on each side. And before we put it back together, let's go ahead and activate it again and make sure it works properly. And look how bright they are. Looks good to me. It definitely puts all the other lights to shame. Let's hope they fit in there since they are a little bit longer. Yeah, it looks like they do. Put those back in, and we'll put these covers back on. Make sure those little pins kind of slide in. Make sure it's nice and flush all the way around. And we'll stick the little clips in, and you just slide them in where they go easy, and then turn them 90 degrees. And we'll go ahead and put this down, and also make sure there's no water filling up in your spare wheel well, because that can happen, and there's some sensitive electronics down there that it can ruin, which actually comes from your sunroof drains clogging up. Anyways, we'll go ahead and put the junk back in my trunk. We're in a dark area, got the parking brake on, just stick it in reverse, And check it out. All systems okay. And look how bright those backup lights are. Yeah, definitely nicer than the stock ones. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.